Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change address on Alibaba. First of all, launch open Alibaba application. You can see over here Alibaba application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the address, tap on this icon My Alibaba that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find the section for features. You'll be able to find the options like favorites, browsing history, etc. What you have to do is find this option for shipping address and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the addresses that you've saved over here. Simply identify the address that you would like to change. After you do that, tap on the edit icon that you can see right over here on that address. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to edit the address. You'll be able to change the country or region, full name, phone number, address, state, city and zip code. What you have to do is simply tap on the field that you would like to change. For example, if you would like to change the country or region, simply tap on the field of country or region. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the country or region of your choice. Now also change other addresses. You can also change the full name and phone number if you want. Likewise, you can also change the address. In order to enter the address, what you have to do is tap on the field of address. Now you'll be able to search for the address over here. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the address of your choice. Once you do that, you can see over here the address will be selected. Along with that, the postcode will be written by default. If you want to change it, you can change it if you want. Likewise, you can also select the town or city. Tap on the field of town or city. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select it over here. Tap on the town or city of your choice. Now after you change the address, tap on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the address will be changed. So that is how you change address on Alibaba. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.